something, aren't we? The only animals in the world that shove things up their ass for survival.
First time I shoved one up my gut, it infected me so bad the camp doctor had to cut it out. He doesn't have any ether. So he knocks me out with rum. And you know what he did?
He stole it.
The butterfly. You're Papillon, aren't you?
Yeah.
The bastards gave you life.
Right to the end of the line. They think.
It may not be as long as you think. 40% of us will die the first year out.
They gave him life, too. Kid's only 18. Look at him. No wonder he dreams. He'll never make it. But a man like you could make it. If you have enough money.
How long were you there?
9 years of work camp. 9 years a colonist.
You were outside the walls. Why didn't you run?
There's no place to run to. You're out in the middle of a swamp, 1,000 miles from no place. Now, if you got a lot of money, that's a different thing. I mean, you take somebody like Dega there, back there. Louis Dega, the best counterfeiter in France. National defense bonds.
Syria, 1928.
Right. Now, if you've got money like he has, there's a chance to buy your way out. That is, unless somebody cuts his guts open first to get at all that cash.